Can be like a mechanical part, can be like so many things, the biochemical part, can be like there's a lot of things that cross over this machine, because for me the poetry is already there, like the machine. If you go to the exhibition, you're going to arrive there, you're going to see the machine like swimming or sometimes just standing still, because like in 1 hour the machine moves like for 12 minutes. It's not 12 minutes in a row, but it's like, in 1 minute move a bit and then it stops and then move a bit more. So the poetry is already there, so now it's really like to develop this further. And for me, it's very interesting to see this machine maybe, being used for something else, which is not like my first. Imagine, for example, if you have like a swarm of these machines and they are connected to each other. Because, for example, if you have an algae bloom, for example, this machine could serve maybe like to clean the algae, and then it's also like stores energy. And then this energy, maybe if you connect them, then you can power maybe your sound system at home. And then you can say like, yeah, it's algae power, So yeah, so I think there's still like a lot of developments to be done in all the parts of the work.
What I like about this machine and the solar panels that we make is that you have to realize that the active material has to be only 1 molecular layer thick. So it's only a layer of 1 molecule. So 1 molecular layer, and that is all you need for activity. And of course you get very low power from that. So it is nothing compared to normal solar panels. But it's very little material, and the material is freely available, let's say. It's floating in the pond. But because of the low power, the machine cannot operate in a way that you would normally think of a robot, let's say. Right? A robot you will always see moving about and having action. And this machine can do everything that Ivan showed, this whole process of move, eat, sunbathe, and digest. But it will be on a much slower time scale. And of course, for the exhibition's sake, we actually powered it with external batteries, so it can actually show you all this movement within 1 hour, because we do not expect people to stay there for a year to view that.
This was really like something, when we were programming the machine, this was something very current. We had like several discussions of time and space and how far it should move, so it became really like, and we had to make decisions.
It's all research on its own.
It's all research,
I mean, just decide that if you just have to think like how an autonomous machine should behave.